What's up, traders? Welcome back to Forex Live. In today's video, I will be giving you guys another amazing spike catching strategy. We will keep it as simple as possible as always, and we will only be using 4 indicators for this strategy. Remember that not all strategies work 100%. This one is about 90% accurate. It does repaint, as you can see at the bottom. It does move around sometimes. However, it is very accurate. So if this is your first time on this channel, please like, subscribe, comment down below, and turn on your notification bell so you can get notified when I do drop another video. Okay, so we're going to jump straight into this video. First thing we're going to focus on is the zoom level. So I want you guys to zoom to the lowest zoom level. And the zoom level we're going to use is the second zoom level. So we're going to zoom, go 1, 2. The second one. Okay, I'll do that again. So we're going to go 1, 2. That will be our zoom level. The confirmations to take this trade is really easy. It works on all boom pairs. So boom 1000, boom 500, boom 300, as well as crash 1000, crash 500, and crash 300. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to mention what these lines are. I'm just going to call them by their colors to make it more easier in order for you guys to understand the strategy and to take the trades. So it's quite simple, as you guys can see. Our main focus to catch spikes will be our green line over here and our black line. Our green and our black line. Now in order to take a trade, your black line needs to touch your green line as it is over here. But we're going to be working on 2 time frames, the 1 minute and the 5 minute time frame as confirmation. So on the 5 minute time frame, we can see over here that our black and our green line needs to touch over here, but it is still in our zone, and our zone for boom is level 10 and level 30. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to enter this trade right over here because our black line is touching our green line. So I'm going to enter that trade, and because on the 5 minute we are still in our zone. We're still in our zone. As you guys can see, when the black touches the green, it spikes. Okay, on the 1 minute as well, let me just show you guys. When the black touches the green, it spikes. But remember what I always say. I always say the trend is your friend. So check the trend on higher time frames so that you can see which way the market is moving. Currently, on boom 1000, we can see that the market is in a consolidation area over here, which means the market is ranging. The market is moving sideways from left to right. There's no trend direction. There's no overall trend direction, whether it's an uptrend or a downtrend. For the past couple of hours, it has been moving sideways. So we're going to take this trade. It's at a great support area over here. We can see this is a great support area right over there on the 1 hour time frame. So we're going to take this trade because our confirmation was met over here. The black is touching the green. Remember, the black and the green, these are your confirmations to take a trade. Okay, and on the 5 minute, we are also in our zone. It needs to be in the 30 and 10 zone. When these lines touch, it needs to be in the 30 and 10 zone. So we can see over here that our green line isn't touching our black line just yet. But we took our first entry on the 1 minute time frame because our black line is touching our green line. So you will have some drawdown. However, the spike will happen. We will then wait for the 5 minute time frame for the black line to touch the green line, and we'll take our second entry. It works the same on the crash pairs. Your green line and your black line needs to be in the zone of 70 and 90, and it needs to touch each other. You enter the trade. You check your 5 minute time frame. Your black line and your green line touch each other in the zone of 70 and 90, and you enter your trade. So you can use this strategy to hold your trades, or you can use it to catch one spike at a time. So if you on the 5 minute and you entered your trade, you can hold till the black line this black line over here touches level 30, and then you exit your trade. But remember to always place your stop loss in profits just in case the market reverses. Okay, just in case the market reverses. So we can see over here again, the black line touched the green line on level 70, 90, in between our zone. You enter the trade and you exit the trade over here. So you catch all those spikes. Again over here, the green line touched the black line in our zone of 70 and 90. You enter the trade and you exit at level 30 over here. So we can see that the overall trend over here is a downtrend. So what does that mean? If we move to our 1 minute time frame, because the trend is in a downtrend, as soon as the black touches the green and it's in our zone of 70 and 90, we can enter and we can take the trade and catch the spike. So every time that happens, the black touches the green, it's in our zone, we enter and we catch the spike. Over here, the black touched the green, level 70 and 90, we enter and we catch that spike. Let's just go back to our trade and check on our trade. Go to the 5 minute. So we can see it's not yet touching each other at level 10. So we're not going to add our second entry just yet. Can check Boom 500. So Boom 500 currently, it's in our zone of 30 and 10. The black is touching the green. We check on the 5 minute time frame. The black is far away from the green, so we won't take this trade. We won't take this trade. We can see that the market is currently moving in a downwards direction, so we won't take any trade over here. Crash 500. We can see over here on the 5 minute time frame, there's no trade to take. However, the trend is in a downtrend. So we go to the 1 minute time frame and we can see the black touch the green in our zone of 70 and 90. You would have entered over here and catch that spike. Over here, the black touched the green in our zone of level 70 and 90. You enter the trade and you catch the spike. On the 5 minute, we would have confirmation. So over here also we have confirmation, the black and the green touch each other in our zone. We enter and we catch the spikes. This is a really powerful strategy to use, guys. Really powerful. You can make money. You can become consistent. Like I said, it does repaint. So you will have some drawdown, but if you manage your risk properly, sometimes you will get sniper entries where you'll enter and immediately it will spike. Like let's check Boom 300. Like Boom 300 for example, right? The black touched the green and it spiked. Currently it's touching the green again. We check off we check our 5 minute and we can see here the previous two spikes that happened. The black touched the green and it spiked. The black is away from the green at the moment, but on our 1 minute time frame we will take our first entry. We'll take our first entry on the 1 minute time frame, and then when the black touches the green touches the black, on the 5 minute we'll enter our second entry if it doesn't spike. Okay, and it is in our zone of level 10 and level 30. Now we check Crash 300. Okay, there's no trade at the moment. The black is not by our green zone, by our green line, and it's not in the zone yet of level 70 and level 90. If it spikes, it's fine. There's plenty of opportunities in the market. We don't need to catch every single trade. Okay, over here we can see touched over here black and greens in our zone of 70 and 90, and it's spiked. We check the 5 minute time frame. Over here we can see the green touch the black. It's in our zone of level 70 and 90, and we had this nice fall to the downside. Let's see what's happening on Boom 500. Okay, Boom 500 actually spiked. However, we won't take the trade because the overall trend, it's looking like it's moving down. And our black line over here is far away from our green line, so we won't take that trade. Boom 1000. I think it's safe to say that we might be entering our second position really soon. And then we on Boom 300 as well. So we're just waiting on the 5-minute time frames in order for us to add our second positions and we can take the trades. But we'll do a bit of back testing. So over here the black touched the green and it spiked. The black touched the green. It's in our zone of level 10 and level 30 and it spiked. The black touched the green in our zone of level 10 and 30 and it spiked all the way up. And the black touched the green over here first in our zone, spiked, came back, touched, and spiked. So you guys can see how powerful this strategy is. It's really, really powerful. Here we go, the black touched the green, it's in our zone. Remember, it needs to be in your zone. Your zone is between level 10 and level 30. It needs to be in the zone in order for you to take the trade. If it's in the middle over here, you don't take the trade. Okay, you don't take the trade. Over here again, the black and the green touch each other in the zone of level 10 and 30, and it's spiked all the way up. Let's see. On Boom 1000. So there we caught that spike. We didn't catch the second entry, but that's okay. We didn't catch the second entry because we were on Boom 300 now, but we caught that spike. As you guys can see, it does work. We go to the 5-minute time frame and you can hold your trade till the black line reaches level 70, and then you can take your profits, or if you want to trade one spike at a time, which I prefer taking one spike at a time, you can go ahead and you can take your profits. Okay, so that's $2 profit, $2.40 profit over there on that one spike. We check here on the 5-minute time frame. It looks good to enter our second position because the black touched the green over there and the black is back at level 10, so we can go and enter our second position. And on the 1 minute, our black is touching our green. Okay, so remember to manage your risk. If it does not spike, it will spike, but if it does not spike and you've reached your risk management, close your trades and you can always catch the next one. Okay, you can always catch the next one. The market is open 24/7. There's endless opportunities for you guys to make money. So don't let the greed factor kick in. You wait it out, you manage your risk. The trend is your friend. Always remember, the trend is your friend. You catch the spike, you leave the market. You come back and you do it again over and over, and you can easily make money. Okay, you can easily make money using this strategy. So there is no confirmation, but this is a downtrend. So we check the 1 minute. Nope, our black line is not by our green line. We don't take the trade. Boom 500, we're not taking any trades over here. Crash 500, just spiked. Check the 5 minute. It is on a downtrend. However, we have no confirmation to take this trade. Go back to Boom 300. Let's check so we can see our black line is touching level 10 again. Okay, they touched over here, still in the zone. It's back over here. at level 10. So we're going to wait for the spike. Let's see our negative. Okay, we're going to wait for the spike to happen. We'll catch the spike and then we will close our trade. If we check crash 300, no confirmation there, no confirmation there to take the trade. It is in a nice downtrend. Let's check higher time frames. You can see it is in a nice downtrend over there. And on the 1 hour, it's a nice downtrend. It's a nice downtrend. So if we get the confirmation on the 1 minute, we will then go ahead and take a trade. But we're waiting on boom 300 to see what happens over here. We should see a spike happen soon. If not, we will then close our trade and we will come back and look for new opportunities. Let's see. So I hope that the strategy will help you guys to make money. Remember, consistency is key. All you guys need is patience and to use proper risk management. Like I said, no strategy is 100%. No indicator, no system is 100%. But if you apply price action, proper risk management to these things, you will then be successful and you will make money. If you guys are interested, you guys can click on the link below. I'll leave a link in the description below where you can go ahead and join my free Telegram channel. My content is posted daily in the free Telegram channel regarding my signals group, my systems, my indicators that I use, that I've created. It's 85% accurate. People are making a killing with it. So you guys can check it out. I'll also leave my direct WhatsApp number so you guys can message me directly. You guys can message me directly if you have any questions or anything like that. So this video is a bit long, so I'm just going to pause it for a second and then come back when the spike happens, or else we will just take the loss on this trade. The confirmation is there on the 1 minute and our confirmation is there on the 5 minute. So we're having a bit of a drawdown. We're managing our risk. So I'm just going to pause the video and I'll be back soon. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add another position over here. And I'm going to wait for that spike to happen. But while I do that, we're going to go over the indicators for the strategy that you guys need to load. Okay, so we're going to go over the zoom level again. That's the lower zoom level. We're going to zoom in 1, 2. Okay, I'm going to do it again. So lower zoom level 1, 2. That's the zoom level that you're going to use. I'll do it for a third time. Lower zoom level and 1, 2. And that's the zoom level you're going to use. Also, the placement of your chart on your screen, you're not going to have it all the way to the left. I want you guys to follow this dotted line. Okay, follow the dotted line. Over here at the top, you will see on average one spike occurs in the price series over 300 ticks. What we're going to do is we're going to take this dotted line and we're going to move it to the I, the letter I in series over there. You see the letter I, I'll move it again. Right over there, that's where you're going to place your chart. Right over there, where you see the letter I in series, that's where you want your chart to be lined up with. Okay, let me just remove that. Then we're going to move over to the indicators that we have on the chart. So the first indicator, for those that don't know how to load indicators, you're going to tap on your screen and you're going to click on this little F icon over here. It will bring you to this page. I want you to click on the F and the plus sign on main chart. Once you click on that, you're going to scroll down till you see fractals, okay? Fractals, this one over here. This will be our first indicator. And we're just going to change that to 3 pixel and any color of your choice. Any color of your choice. And then the second one, we're going to click on the F again with a plus icon. And we're going to click on Relative Strength Index, RSI. So we're going to have period 7, apply to close. Under styles, we're going to have 1 pixel and the color of your background. So if your background is white, you're going to make it white. If your background is black, you're going to make it black. Okay, and then under levels over here, you're going to add these levels. We're going to have level 70. Sorry, level 90 and level 70. Remember, those are our crash zones. That's the zones we need to be in for crashes. And then level 10 and level 30, that's our zones for our booms to catch those spikes. Okay, and we're going to say style, we're going to have 2 pixel and the color black. When you're done, you just click on done. And then over here where it says indicator window 1, you're going to click on the F and the plus sign. And we're going to choose average directional movement index. Okay, over here you're going to say period 14. Under styles, we're going to have 2 pixels. So if your background is black, you're going to make it black. If your background is white, you're going to make it white. And then your plus DI, you're going to make 3 pixel and green. And your negative DI, you're going to make 4 pixel and red. Levels, don't put anything under levels, okay? When you're done, you just click on done. And then you're going to click again on indicator window 1. And you're going to use the F with a plus symbol. You're going to click on that. And then you're going to click on moving average. Okay, once you click on moving average, this is what you're going to use as your inputs. So you're going to have period 3, shift 0, method exponential, and under styles you're going to make that 3 pixels and the color is going to be black. So that's our black line. Okay, and over here the plus DI, the green one, that is our green line. Those two we use for the spikes. Okay, that is very important. That is our spike zones. So those are the indicators. I'm just going to go through it again. It's your fractals. It's your fractals over there. It's your RSI, your relative strength index. That's the parameters. That's the levels. Then we have our average directional movement index. Those are the settings over there. And then we have our moving average. So we have period 3, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, and 3 pixel and the color black. So those are our settings, guys. As we can see, boom 300. We're just going to wait for this 5-minute candle. If it does not spike, we're going to take our loss and we'll look for a better entry. As I said, nothing is 100%. You will take losses. Look at that massive spike. But we said we're staying out of boom 500, so that's okay. But the confirmations were met over here and it went up. The black is still away from the green, so I wouldn't have taken that trade. I wouldn't have taken that trade. But that's okay. There's more opportunities in the market. Crash 500. No confirmations were met for that trade. Crash 1000. Currently the black line is moving to the green line. No confirmation on the 5-minute. I won't be taking that trade either. So I think I'm going to take my loss on boom 300 right now. The 5-minute candle is almost closed. Then I'll take my loss. But I know that the next trade I win, next trade I take will be a win. So remember, guys, if this is your first time on this channel, please go ahead and like, subscribe, comment down below, test the strategy out, give me some feedback on it. You can message me directly on Telegram and on WhatsApp. I'll drop my details down below. Also, click on the notification bell so you do get notified when I do drop a new video. Okay, so you guys don't miss out on this, and join the Telegram group so you guys don't miss out on any specials or anything that is happening with Forex Life. We also have a TikTok channel as well, and in our Telegram channel we do send out free signals as well for you guys. So I hope that this has been really informative, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys make a lot of money from this video. And I'll see you guys on the next one.